Your 20s feel infinite, endless time, endless chances, endless I'll fix it later. But here's the uncomfortable truth no one tells you. Most people don't fail financially because they didn't earn enough. They fail because of the decisions they made between 18 and 30. Right now, there are two versions of you being created, one that struggles paycheck to paycheck, and another that lives with options, freedom, and quite confidence. The scary part? Both versions are doing normal things today. Let me ask you a quick question. If your 40-year-old self could send you a message right now, would it say thank you or what were you thinking? Today, I'll break down 5 financial mistakes that silently destroy wealth in your 20s. Mistakes that feel harmless now but cost millions over lifetime. Stick till the end because the final mistake is the most common, and avoiding it alone can completely change your future. Let's begin. The first trap looks innocent, even successful. You get a raise, a new job, more money coming in, so naturally you upgrade everything. Bigger apartment, nicer car, more you deserve it purchases. But here's the problem, your lifestyle rises faster than your net worth. Let me say this clearly, wealth is not what you spend. Wealth is what you keep, and social media makes this worse. Quick question. Have you ever bought something expensive and thought, honestly, this wasn't even worth it? Exactly. People who look rich often feel broke. People who are actually wealthy usually look boring. And that leads us to the second, even more dangerous mistake. I'll invest once I earn more. I'll start next year. I'm still young. Sounds reasonable until you